Welcome to Grow Wealth, where we empower you to achieve financial success. Join us on this exciting journey to secure your financial future and make your wealth grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss a video. What is stock market? The stock market is a place where people can buy and sell ownership shares of companies. When you buy a share of a company's stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. As the company grows and becomes more valuable, the value of your share can increase. Conversely, if the company's performance worsens, the value of your share can decrease. The stock market is a platform where these shares are traded, allowing investors to make money by buying low and selling high or vice versa. It's a way for companies to raise funds and for individuals to invest in the potential success of those companies. Investing in the stock market offers the potential for long-term growth, ownership in thriving companies, diversification, dividend income, liquidity, an inflation hedge, accessibility, educational benefits, the power of compound interest, and a strategy for building wealth. However, it also carries inherent risks, and successful investing requires research, diversification, and, if necessary, guidance from financial experts. Careful planning and a long-term perspective can help individuals secure their financial future through stock market investments. Ready to discover how you can harness the wealth-building power of the stock market while navigating the potential risks? In our next video, we'll unveil expert strategies and tips for successful stock market investing. Stay tuned.